Hi there, welcome to the online showroom here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Today we're happy to present this 2018 Mitsubishi RVR. It's an SE, all-wheel control or all-wheel drive with only 290 kilometers on it. Wow, it's awesome. This 2018 Mitsubishi RVR SE all-wheel drive has factory aluminum wheels and keyless remote. The compact SUV market is hot and Mitsubishi is a big player. The RVR has great fuel economy, and just check out that space. That's a 70/30 cloth rear folding seat. Lots of room for your fuzzy four-legged family friends or those trips to Costco. Mitsubishi makes one of the most reliable cars on the planet. This 2018 has a 5-year, what they call bumper-to-bumper or major component warranty, plus an additional 5 years on the powertrain. There's not another auto manufacturer on this planet that backs up their cars like Mitsubishi. That's transferable into your name at no cost. It's just so rare to find a pre-owned 2018 with only 295 kilometers. Wow, just really hard to find. This RVR comes with power windows, power locks. Of course, you've got Bluetooth hands-free for making and receiving phone calls without touching your phone. You've also got my wife's favorite option, heated seats. And those are USB ports for your phone or your iPod or Android, whatever device you use. Automatic climate control, just set it and forget it. This little RVR has all the apps. It also has Android Auto and Apple CarPlay and a backup camera. Please come take advantage of this low kilometer 2018 four-wheel drive RVR SE. Save thousands off a new one. You'll find this vehicle and many others like it here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. So if it's raining or it's windy or it's cold outside and the weather's not cooperating, you know what? No worry. We'll take whatever vehicle you're looking at, like this 2018 Mitsubishi RVR. We'll back it inside our heated indoor showroom. You can grab a coffee, relax, and take a peek underneath our indoor showroom lights. Here at Miracle Truck and Car Company, we offer low-rate financing with extended terms. Plus, we also have specialists that can take our customers that have bruised credit. That means we'll get you into a nicer, newer vehicle like this RVR at a lower interest rate, and well, the whole time you'll be rebuilding your credit. Only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. We're located on the corner of Highway 4 and Alberni Highway in the beautiful Qualicum Beach, Coombs area. If you've never been to the Coombs Country Junction, all you got to do is look for the Miracle Truck and Car Company sign. This is our outdoor display. All you got to do is go straight down. On the right hand side, you'll see the garage door. Go in our 2,000 square foot indoor showroom. We believe you'll enjoy the process here. You get to deal with one or both of the owners. We'll appraise your trade. We'll give you a difference. We'll get you approved in a payment. No pressure, no hassle. You'll find that only here at Miracle Truck and Car Company. Hey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video.